Alibaba's stock price could bounce back in 2024.
We believe.
And in this video, you will learn why. Whether you are an Alibaba shareholder or you just like to keep up with Alibaba, I hope you'll subscribe. I really appreciate it, guys. If you subscribe, then you know that Alibaba is 4% of my portfolio. I've owned it for about 2 years now, and my experience owning Alibaba has been, well, oh no. It's been an awesome 2 years. It's been just great psychologically. But I have reason to believe that Alibaba's price will begin to recover in 2024. Alibaba's management began aggressively buying back shares in 2023. Alibaba's share buybacks led to a 3.3% reduction in outstanding shares. Alibaba has an additional $11.7 billion set aside that have been authorized by their board for future share buybacks between now and 2025. Buying back shares is actually a fairly common corporate strategy. The idea is that by doing this, they can return capital to shareholders, and there's the potential to increase the earnings per share. The perception of these buybacks is where we need to put on our critical thinking hats. Alibaba's confident in their future. They believe that their stock is undervalued, and to appease shareholders like myself, who, if I lived in China, I would be at their headquarters every day asking for an explanation.
Where's the supervisor? I didn't do anything!
I look at these share buybacks as a positive sign because I'm not going to say that Alibaba's price can get lower. It definitely can.
This is not right.
Take a listen to what Warren Buffett had to say about buybacks at a recent Berkshire Hathaway shareholder meeting.
Whether the company should buy it depends on a couple of things. One is they ought to retain the money they need for intelligent growth prospects. Secondly, and this is a point that's never mentioned, they should be buying it back below what they think it's worth. That should be the guiding principle. We will repurchase shares when it's to the advantage of the continuing shareholder to have us do so.
There's a quote I was actually reading. Where's the book? If you guys know this book, it's called All I Want to Know Is Where I'm Going to Die, So I'll Never Go There. Buffett and Munger, A Study in Simplicity and Uncommon Common Sense by Peter Bevelin. Things are cheapest when everyone's pessimistic and fearful. And if you watched my last video about Alibaba, where I really just put my heart on my sleeves, I mean, this stock, I hate owning it. It makes me uncomfortable every day, and I'm perfectly happy saying that because I think everyone who's acting like Ivan Drago,
If he dies, he dies.
like, it doesn't bother me that every day there's some bad news coming from China about Alibaba. But I think when you consider the fact that people are generally fearful and pessimistic about Alibaba's future, and when you look at Alibaba's earnings, you look at their balance sheet, you look at the company itself, and it fits that quote. Just a friendly reminder to please like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. I appreciate you for hanging out with me. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll talk soon.